Before I started this YouTube channel, I used to watch the similar book summary channels, and guess what? Those are having the lakhs of views to their each video, and I used to get fascinated with that and tell myself that I can also start something like that and gain enormous view, even surpass them. What they have done in the year, I will do it in couple of months. But when in reality I act on this idea and started actually my own YouTube channel, then I got to know how much I sucks, how much ignorant I was, how hard it is to gain even the first 100 subscribers. There are so many things which I need to learn and improve upon to compete with those channels which I used to watch earlier. You can watch one of my beginning video where I proudly told that I will gain million subscribers at the end of 2017. But you can see what is my situation now. This is what happens. We choose to see only the successful things, and even the media bombard and portray only successful people in front of us. No one is bothered to look at how many people are struggling, trying and failing. And in that euphoria, we overestimate our own capability and take some decisions and later on fall flat on our face. This phenomenon called survivorship bias. Let me give another example. You might be thinking of switching your job for better salary because your friends are switching and everyone is switching. They are getting the good job and you overestimated that since people surrounding you are getting the job easily, then you are anyways doing better than them, then you can also get it easily. And in that fake confidence state, you might take some decisions to neglect preparing yourself for the interviews, and you go for the interview and you fails. Because you ignore to know how hard your friends were preparing since so many months, how many interviews they have attended and got rejected, how much competition exists in that niche where for single jobs thousands of applications are piled up. Without knowing this, what you have done is you saw your friends' final success results and concluded that you can also get the job easily by doing nothing much. We are in constant thinking that we are capable of and we will perform better, and with this thinking we make decisions and we fail. I am not telling that we are not capable of, but I am trying to help you to understand this bias, to make your decision wisely and make yourself eligible, more capable for the future opportunities. One more real-time example of this is, you would have observed yourself doing this. You would have gone to one hotel and you saw something there in the hotel which was wrong as per you, and you started giving some suggestions to the hotel guy that he should operate like this, he should keep these items, he don't have the business sense, blah blah blah. Then why you give suggestion to the hotel guy? Because you assume yourself running the hotel and making it successful in your imagination, because you have seen some successful cases in the hotel before. You assume yourself that if you yourself run this hotel, you can run it better than him. But you don't know and even ignore to know how that owner of the hotel face competitions exist in the hotel business, how small price change impact the hotel's revenue, how many people have different tastes and habits, and how their preferences varying day by day. So the ultimate crux of survivorship bias is we tend to overestimate our own capability and our chances of success and ignore the efforts, preparation needed to be done to hit the success in reality. So understand this bias and make your decisions wisely. There are the series of videos coming up on how to make better decisions. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. Until next video, stay vibrant.